Have you ever looked up at the night sky, far from city lights, and just felt amazed by all the stars? The sheer number of them, twinkling like tiny diamonds scattered across a velvet blanket, can be overwhelming. It's a sight that has inspired countless generations of poets, scientists, and dreamers alike. It's a really powerful feeling, like we're so small compared to everything out there. Standing under that vast expanse, you can't help but feel a sense of humility and wonder. It's a reminder of our place in the cosmos, a tiny speck on a tiny planet orbiting an average star in an average galaxy. Each tiny speck of light is a star, and many are bigger and brighter than our own sun. Some of these stars are so far away that their light takes millions of years to reach us. Imagine that the light we see tonight left its star long before humans even existed. But what's beyond those faraway suns? How big is the universe, really? When we peer deeper into space, we see galaxies, each containing billions of stars. And beyond those galaxies, there are even more galaxies stretching out into the infinite. Let's take a trip to explore just how mind-blowingly huge it is. Imagine traveling at the speed of light, the fastest speed in the universe. Even at that unimaginable speed, it would take over 4 years to reach the nearest star beyond our sun. We'll start close to home in our solar system. Our solar system is our cosmic neighborhood, a collection of planets, moons, asteroids, and comets all orbiting our sun. It seems big, with 8 planets, lots of moons, and tons of asteroids and comets. Each planet has its own unique characteristics, from the scorching surface of Mercury to the icy rings of Saturn. But it's actually tiny compared to the rest of the universe. Our solar system is just a small part of the Milky Way galaxy, which itself is just one of billions of galaxies in the universe. The distances are gigantic, measured in astronomical units. An astronomical unit, or AU, is the average distance from the Earth to the Sun. One of these units is the average distance from Earth to the Sun, a whopping 93 million miles. To put that in perspective, if you could drive a car at 60 miles per hour, it would take you over 177 years to reach the Sun. And that's just within our own solar system. The universe is so vast that it challenges our very understanding of space and time. To understand how big our solar system is, imagine the Sun is a grapefruit. This grapefruit-sized sun represents the massive star at the center of our solar system, providing light and warmth to all the planets orbiting around it. The Sun's gravity holds everything together, from the smallest asteroid to the largest planet. Earth would be like a pinhead, circling the grapefruit about 15 meters away. This tiny pinhead represents our home, the third planet from the Sun, where life as we know it exists. Despite its small size in this model, Earth is teeming with diverse ecosystems and billions of people. Jupiter, the biggest planet, would be a marble 78 meters away. This gas giant, with its swirling storms and many moons, dominates the outer solar system. Its great red spot is a gigantic storm larger than Earth itself, showcasing the immense scale of this planet. Neptune, the farthest planet, would be a tiny bead, almost half a kilometer away from our grapefruit sun. This distant icy giant is known for its deep blue color and strong winds, the fastest in the solar system. And that's not all. Past Neptune is the Kuiper Belt, a place with dwarf planets like Pluto and lots of icy stuff, billions of kilometers from the Sun. The Kuiper Belt is a vast region filled with remnants from the solar system's formation, including comets and other icy bodies. It's a frontier of our solar system, extending far beyond the planets we are familiar with. Even this small model of the solar system is huge. It gives us a sense of the vast distances between celestial objects and the incredible scale of our cosmic neighborhood. Each planet, moon, and asteroid has its own unique characteristics and story, contributing to the rich tapestry of our solar system. But it's just a tiny part of how big the universe really is. Our solar system is just one of billions in the Milky Way galaxy, which itself is just a small part of the vast universe. The universe is filled with countless galaxies, each containing millions or even billions of stars, planets, and other celestial objects. The scale of the universe is truly mind-boggling, reminding us of the incredible expanse of space and the endless possibilities it holds. Our solar system is inside a giant, swirling group of stars called the Milky Way galaxy. This huge collection of gas, dust, and hundreds of billions of stars is 100,000 light-years across. 1 light year is how far light travels in 1 year. That's 5.88 trillion miles. If our sun were a grain of sand, the Milky Way would be as big as several football fields. Our sun would be about 2/3 of the way out from the center. It's hard to imagine something so big, but the Milky Way is just one of billions and billions of galaxies. Outside the Milky Way, we have galactic neighbors in what's called the local group. It has over 50 galaxies, including ours, spread over 10 million light years. Andromeda, a spiral galaxy even bigger than the Milky Way, is our closest big neighbor, 2.5 million light years away. But the local group is tiny too. It's part of the Virgo Supercluster, a giant group of thousands of galaxies stretching over 100 million light years. Superclusters are some of the biggest things in the universe, like giant strings and sheets of galaxies with huge empty spaces between them. Zooming out even more, we see the universe's structure, called the cosmic web. It's a giant net of strings, sheets, and empty spaces made of countless galaxies. It's like a huge, shimmery cloth stretching billions of light years in every direction. Think of raisin bread, where the raisins are galaxies and the dough is empty space. That's kind of like the cosmic web, showing how unbelievably big the universe is and how many galaxies there are. The observable universe is everything we can see from Earth right now. It's limited by how fast light travels and how old the universe is. Since the Big Bang, about 13.8 billion years ago, light has only had time to reach us from a certain distance. This creates a cosmic horizon, the edge of what we can see, a sphere about 46.5 billion light years across. But remember, that's not the whole universe. It's just what we can see. The universe goes way beyond that, maybe even forever, but the light from those faraway places hasn't reached us yet. One of the most amazing discoveries is that the universe is expanding. Like dots on a balloon being blown up, galaxies are moving apart. The space between them is stretching. This means the universe is always getting bigger, pushing the edge of what we can see further out. Because of this expansion, light from beyond the cosmic horizon might never reach us. That vast, unknown area stays a mystery, hidden from our view. The universe is huge and amazing. A vast expanse that stretches beyond our wildest imaginations. It shows us how much we don't know, how many mysteries are still out there waiting to be uncovered. What's beyond what we can see? The edge of the observable universe is just the beginning. Are there other universes with different rules? The concept of a multiverse suggests that our universe might be just one of many. What will happen to our expanding universe? Will it continue to grow forever, or will it eventually collapse back in on itself? These are some of the big questions astronomers are trying to answer. They spend their lives peering into the depths of space, searching for clues. As we explore space, one thing's for sure, the universe will keep surprising us. Every new discovery leads to more questions, more mysteries to solve. So next time you look at the stars, remember, you're seeing a tiny part of a huge and mysterious universe. A universe full of wonders and secrets. It's full of possibilities and unanswered questions, each one more intriguing than the last. Maybe you'll feel that sense of wonder too. The same wonder that has driven humanity to explore, to seek out the unknown. What other secrets is the universe hiding, waiting for us to find them? The journey of discovery is never ending, and the universe is always ready to reveal